Hi guys, my name is Alek, and in this video I will show you how to install WordPress inside your Hostinger web hosting account. To get the most out of this tutorial, I recommend watching it without interruptions. This way you can fully immerse yourself in the content and absorb all its knowledge. Then, on the second run, follow my instructions step by step. From your Hostinger account homepage, go to Websites. As you can see, I already have WordPress installed on 2 of my websites, but not on the third one. Imagine that this third one is your website. Now, on the right, click on Manage. When this page opens, on the left-hand side of the screen, click on Website, and then click on WordPress. You will see your domain name and 2 options. Click on Install. A pop-up window will open where you need to enter the name of your website, and in my case I will enter Candid Judgments. The administrator's email is significant for 3 reasons. It will be the official email address of your website, where you will receive messages from Hostinger regarding your website, and if someone leaves a comment on your website, or someone sends you a message from the future contact page of your website. Your administrator username and password will be the ones that you use to access your website's dashboard. Choose them wisely and remember to write them down for future reference. After you fill in all the boxes, click on Next. Leave everything as it is and click the button that says Install. The installation process will start and you will see this page shortly. Click on the button Install to install Lightspeed. Scroll a little bit down, and in the section WordPress Updates, click on Change. Turn this button on, and on this pop-up, just click Enable Auto Updates. When you scroll down, you will see your website's installed WordPress themes. What is a WordPress theme? Imagine you just bought a new mobile phone. Instead of staring at a blank screen, WordPress will immediately install a default theme to make your site look nice. Think of it like the default appearance of your phone's interface. You can always change the theme with just a few clicks without losing any content on your website. Now, move on to the Installed Plugins section. Let's use the mobile phone analogy again. Just like your phone has built-in features like camera and calculator, WordPress has its own set of built-in functions for creating and managing your site. Plugins are like downloadable apps for your website. They are designed to integrate seamlessly with your site, allowing you to customize and enhance your website without writing any code. It's like supercharging it with just a few clicks. Now scroll up and click on Dashboard. On the right, click on this button that says Admin Panel. When this page opens, hover over your website name in the upper left-hand corner and click on Visit Site. Believe it or not, you have successfully installed your first WordPress website. Congratulations! Now scroll down to check the overall look of your website's home page. Remember when I talked about WordPress themes? This is the default theme of your website. From this moment, if someone asks you if you have a website, you can say, yes, I have. How cool is that? And maybe, just maybe, this is the first day of the rest of your life. Don't forget to write down today's date. Now, to return to the website's dashboard, hover over your website's name in the upper left corner and click on Dashboard. To log out, hover over your username in the upper right-hand corner and click Log Out. You should bookmark this page by clicking this little star. From now on, you will use it almost daily to access your website and tweak it even further. Another way to enter your WordPress dashboard is to type in your website's web address followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password, click on Login, and you will be returned to your WordPress dashboard. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this tutorial. I hope you found value in learning how to install WordPress inside your Hostinger web hosting account. Now I have a small but super important favor to ask. You know, the YouTube algorithm considers user engagement to decide what videos to show to more people. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. By subscribing, you're supporting this channel, but you also help other small creators and users like yourself discover this video. It's a win-win for everyone. So click subscribe and activate the algorithm to help more people install their first WordPress website inside Hostinger, just like you did today. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.